talk about VA jumbo loans enough. Okay, happy VA Wednesday. So we need to talk about VA jumbo loans because I am hearing stuff in the industry that's just wrong, and it's important that you guys know this. So number one, does VA have a loan limit? No. And if someone says, well, yeah, we have to do the county limit and then we have to do a max mortgage based off of the county. No, that was pre-2020. 2020, the Blue Water Act passed, which made it so that VA has no loan limit. So can we do $1 million, $2 million loans with 0% down? Yes. Yes. And do we do them? Yes. All the time. All the time, guys. They're easy. And here's the thing. Sometimes people are like, well, shouldn't I just get a jumbo loan? I don't know. Why do you want a higher rate, more work, have to put down a ton of down payment and to get a colonoscopy in the process? Why? Just do a VA jumbo loan. They are magical. Magical, guys. Okay. So sometimes people go, well, wait, I have another VA loan right now. Can I still have no loan limit if I have another VA loan and I am not selling that house or refinancing out of VA? No, because then we have to look at max mortgages with your eligibility, but that has nothing to do with VA loan limits overall. Because here's the thing. There are people that have multiple VA mortgages. We do them all the time. We help veterans, you know, every PCS station. Let's get another one. Let's get another one. But, you know, generally what I'm seeing more of is when someone's looking in the $1 million, $2 million, $3 million price point, they don't have another VA mortgage right now. Or they may have a VA mortgage, but they're selling that house to get some capital to go towards this house, even though they don't have to put money down. Okay. So that VA loan's going away. So in order to do VA loan with no loan limit, you have to have your full eligibility. Now, could you have used it before and sold that house? Yes, we can always restore eligibility. Okay. That's the most important thing, because sometimes there's lenders, like there's not a lot of lenders that actually do a lot of VA loans. It's like something where they might do 1 or 2 a year, but they don't even know that rule happened. So they're telling people who have their full VA eligibility that they have to do a down payment. That's not true. So VA, if you have your full eligibility, no loan limit, no down payment required. Okay. Of course, you have to qualify for the loan. That's as with any VA loan. Okay. What else do I hear people getting wrong on VA jumbo loans? Rates. Yeah. So that's been a real interesting one for me to watch. So there are some companies in the industry where they're telling their salespeople, oh, well, you know, once you get over 726, VA loans are very expensive. So we have to charge the buyer a much higher rate. Bullshit. 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 If I price out a $400,000 loan or a $1.2 million loan, it's the same on VA. You know why? VA itself does not have any price hits for loan size, okay? They don't. So if a lender's saying, well, since it's over XYZ, the rate's higher, that's their company. Their company put a price hit on that. So really be careful. You know, I was talking to a guy 3 days ago, and he was in an area of the country where $800,000 was considered jumbo. And his lender was a solid 0.5% higher and $8,000 more. On that type of loan, that is a huge amount of money. On any type of loan, that is egregious. Okay. You guys need to be shopping rates. I cannot state it enough. And you may go, well, if I go with one of the big VA companies, they'll know all this. I mean, guys, those big VA companies are call centers and they constantly are going through staff. So sure, if the person who got their license a year ago or 6 months ago, or maybe 2 years ago, if they know that, sure, maybe not. Hard to say. It's going to depend on the individual lender you're talking to. So look, here's the deal. If you're a veteran and you're looking in that $1 million, $2 million, $3 million higher price point, and you're talking to a lender that's creating all these rules, giving you higher rates, telling you to keep the loan under a certain amount, give me a call. Let's talk about it. Let's see if everything they're telling you is true or if it's BS. Because a lot of the times when I get those calls and we sort through the BS, we're helping the buyer save a lot of money and a lot of headache. That's the thing, a lot of headache. So, as always, I am licensed everywhere but Rhode Island and Utah, and I would love to help you with your VA loan. Any questions, please reach out, drop a comment, let me know you're alive. But yeah, I'm seeing a lot of stuff in the VA jumbo space that I wanted to clear up.